Have you ever felt like life was trying to take you out? Like the weight of trials, sickness, betrayal, depression, or spiritual warfare was too heavy? Like the enemy whispered, "This is the end for you." The word of Yah says in Psalm 118:17, "I shall not die, but live, and declare the works of the Lord." That is not just David's testimony. It can be yours too. Before we go deeper, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell so you don't miss the next message. This verse is powerful because it speaks life in the face of death. Not just physical death, but spiritual death, emotional death, purpose dying, and hope dying. David was surrounded by enemies. He faced affliction, opposition, and distress. Yet, in the middle of all that, he declared life. He did not say, "I might live." He said, "I shall live." That is faith speaking. Faith does not wait for circumstances to change before it speaks. Faith speaks before the breakthrough. So even when everything around you looks dead, you can still declare, "I shall not die, but live," David said, "and declare the works of Yah." This shows us why he was preserved. He still had purpose. As long as there is breath in your body, Yah still has assignment for you. The enemy attacks people with purpose. Why? Because if he can silence you, he can hinder what Yah wants to do through you. But if Yah has called you, no attack can end you before your time. The book of Isaiah says, "No weapon that is formed against thee shall prosper." That means the weapon may form, but it will not win. The attack may come, but it does not get the final word. Psalm 118:17 teaches the power of declaration. David spoke life. This matters because many believers speak death over themselves without realizing it. They say things like, "I'll never make it. I'm always sick. My life is over. Nothing good happens for me." But the book of Proverbs tells us that death and life are in the power of the tongue. What you continually speak shapes your atmosphere. This does not mean we deny reality. It means we agree with Yah above our reality. When your body is weak, declare life. When your mind is under attack, declare peace. When your money is low, declare provision. Speak Yah's word because his word carries power. Your circumstances may speak loudly, but Yah's word speaks with authority. David said he would declare the works of Yah. This means survival is not just for comfort, it is for testimony. Some of you survived things that should have destroyed you. The accident should have killed you. The sickness should have taken you. The depression should have consumed you. The betrayal should have broken you. But you are still here because Yah preserved you for a testimony. The book of Revelation says, "And they overcame him by the blood of the Lamb and by the word of their testimony." Your testimony has power. What Yah brought you through can strengthen someone else. If you keep reading Psalm 118, David says, "Yah hath chastened me sore, but he hath not given me over unto death." That matters because sometimes the pain you are experiencing is correction, not destruction. Yah disciplines those he loves, so do not mistake correction for abandonment. If Yah corrects you, it means he still claims you. And if he still claims you, your story is not over. Maybe right now you feel weak. Maybe you feel like giving up. Maybe you are battling physically, emotionally, or spiritually. Take this verse and make it personal. "I shall not die, but live." Say it until your spirit believes it. Say it until fear leaves. Say it until faith rises. Say it because Yah is faithful. The enemy does not have the final say. Yah does. And if Yah says live, then live. Live in obedience. Live in faith. Live in holiness. Live in purpose. And declare His works. If this message spoke to you, comment, "I shall live." And don't just comment it casually. Declare it by faith. Let this be your reminder that your survival is not accidental. Your life is prophetic. Your testimony is necessary. And Yah is not finished with you yet. If this encouraged you, share it with someone who needs strength today. And tell me in the comments, what has Yah brought you through?